In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace front side view mirror assemblies on a Toyota Corolla. These are located on the inside of the door panel. Let's get started. We're going to start off by locating our interior door handle on the front door. Behind it, we'll locate this trim panel. Remove it using a small flat blade screwdriver. Wedge it in between and pry it out. Set it aside. Once that is off, we have access to our Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. We're going to move down to our master window switch and its trim panel and remove it using a pry tool. And pry up. Pull it up and out. On the back side, we're going to locate two electrical connectors, push the tabs down, and slide them out. And set the switch aside. We are going to locate this trim piece on the middle portion of the door panel and remove it. Pull it away from the edge right here. And keep pulling it away. Set it aside. Now we have access to these two Phillips head screws. Remove these as well. Now for the one in the middle portion of the door panel. Pull the door panel away from the vehicle, starting at the lower corner of the panel. Pry out. After that, move on to the back side of the panel. Just locate your door handle cables, the white one on top and the green one on the bottom. Pull these out of the holders. And set the panel aside. With the door panel out of the way, we now have access to our mirror connector and panel. Push down on this tab to remove the connector and slide it out. Undo it from the clips on the panel. Just pull them out and away and set it aside. We're going to remove this fastener right here using a 10mm or a Phillips head. Remove it. Pull the right portion of the panel out. It's held in by a clip. And do the same on all sides. Set it aside. With our panel out of the way, we have access to our three 10mm fasteners. Remove these, but while you remove the last fastener, hold the mirror up so it does not fall down. Be sure not to drop them inside the door panel. And here's the last one. I'll pull the mirror out. And feed the harness through. And there it is. On the original assembly, we're going to locate our harness and this white clip. Remove the harness from the clip by pulling it out and away. Once that's set aside, pull the clip up and out. We are going to transfer this over to our new assembly. Just slide it in place. Align the tabs and push down. Feed the harness through as well. Your fasteners come pre-installed, so remove these as well. Pull these caps off. And the fasteners as well. Now to install our mirror assembly. Feed the harness through. Align the studs and install them as well. Now we're going to go ahead and install our fasteners. And thread them on first. And the last fastener. We're going to go ahead and snug these down. We're going to torque these down to 71 inch-pounds. Quick note: when you install your mirror, ensure that the harness runs behind the window channel. You do not want it running in front of it. We're going to reinstall our cover panel. Run the harness up and put the panel in place. Push the clips down on all four corners. Secure the harness on the clips as well. And reinstall the connector. Make sure it's secure. Reinstall your Phillips head screw, just snug it down. Now to install our mirror cap. Line up the tabs on the cap and push in. Ensure the mirror cap is secure. And put your mirror back into the original position. We're going to reinstall our door panel and the door handle cables. Starting off with the green one that goes in the bottom for the door handle. Hook it into the holder and secure the connector. Just push all the way down. We'll do the same for the white top one. Secure the cable on the holder and push it in. Now let's install the door panel. We are going to push it into place and secure our clips all around the perimeter. Once everything's lined, push down on all corners. And that looks good. We're going to snug down our 3 Phillips head screws, starting with the ones on the bottom and the corner. Insert them and snug them down. And our last screw adjacent to the door handle. We're also going to reinstall our plastic trim pieces, so put them into place and push down. We'll do the same for our door handle trim piece. Open the handle and slide it into place. We're going to feed our harness through the door panel and reinstall our switches. Starting with the black one on the bottom, slide it in and make sure it's secure. And same for the white one on top. Now position your master switch in the door panel and push down. With everything reassembled, we are going to test the functionality of the mirror. So locate your switch, make sure it goes all the way up and down and side to side. And that looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.